Welcome to the class, dear students. Now, today's lecture, I am going to do the improper partial fractions. So, what is meant by an improper partial fraction? If the degree of the numerator, that is p of x, is more than the degree of the denominator q of x. Now, here you observe the degree of p of x, the numerator is 3. And degree of the denominator q of x is 2. So 3 is greater than 2, therefore it is the improper partial fraction. First we have to conclude that whether it is a proper or improper. Now there is a process here to do this integration. So just before going to the division of this type of division, I just wanted to I would like to do the small normal division. For example, if you divide 9 by, let us say, 4, then the quotient is 2, the remainder is 1. Correct? So what we write is 9 over 4 can be written as the term which is given by this. So this one is 2. Okay? Plus the term which is given by this one, which is 1. So that one we write here over the value which is here, that is 1 by 4. So 2 plus this divided by 4. This divided by 4. Like that we write the fractions. As the improper fraction can be made it as like this. I'll give you one more example. Let us see now. For example, I have 17. You want to divide this by, let us say, 5. Then it goes on 5 3s are 15 and the remainder is 2. So you wanted to find out that what is 17 by 5. Can be written as this 3 plus the remainder 2 divided by the value, the quotient 5. That's it. Understood? This is what the way of splitting the fraction, splitting the given fraction. Let us have one more, 26. When I divide by, let us say, 4, then 4 6 are 24. The remainder is 2. So 26 by 4 can be rewritten as 6 plus 2 over 4. I hope it's clear. So like this we will write. So always up this is called as quotient. Quotient plus the remainder by the divisor. So that is what the way to write down the fractions. Now let us come to our problem. What is that? X cube and then minus 2x square minus 6x plus 1. We are going to divide with what? X square minus 2x plus 1. X square minus 2x plus 1. So now let us see the division. X square into x gives you x cube. This into this gives you x cube. What we do now? This x will be multiplied by all the terms. That is x into minus 2x is minus 2x square. X into 1 is plus x. Now what we have to do? The subtraction. Plus minus. So this x cube gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. Minus 6x minus x is minus 7x plus 1. So this is what the remainder. Okay. So how can you express now this as x cube minus 2x square minus 6x plus 1 over x square minus 2x plus 1 can be written as first the quotient, that x, plus the remainder minus 7x plus 1 over the divisor x square minus 2x plus 1. So this is what the way of writing down the fraction, splitting that into the fractions. Now whatever you are getting in this, okay, in this fraction, whatever you are getting, it is minus 7x plus 1. Okay, and this is x plus minus 7x plus 1. This is what the fraction. I will write once again, more clear way. X plus minus 7x plus 1 over x square minus 2x plus 1. Now here you should understand one thing, that this should be the proper partial fraction always. Okay, whatever you have got here is the proper partial fraction. If you are not getting proper, then you are wrong somewhere. That is what you can understand. Because p of x degree is 1, q of x degree is 2. So it is now. So now what we do is we solve, first of all, call this as equation 1. This minus 7x plus 1 over x square minus 2x plus 1 can be written as x minus 1 the whole square. So it is of case 2, this one. Correct? Case 2 is what? The roots are repeated. The factors are repeated. So a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 the whole square. Now how will we rewrite this one? As a times of x minus 1 plus b. I hope this again you have got a doubt, means I'll explain you once again this one. How to make this as, let us now have this whole thing. This is what we got, right? How to rewrite this now? Let us take down. The denominator is what? X minus 1 the whole square. Let us do separately for a and b, okay? So the denominator is x minus 1 the whole square. But you have a over x minus 1. So how to get the denominator as x minus 1? If you multiply by x minus 1, correct? I have to get the denominator as x minus 1 the whole square. That means you are dividing by x minus 1. So multiplied by x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 the whole square. When I write, there is already nothing is there with b. So that's what we can write, minus 7x plus 1. That is the numerator here. The numerator here is minus 7x plus 1 will be equating with what? A times of x minus 1 plus b. That's it. Okay. Now what we do? We put x is 1, suppose. So it is minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6 is equal to b. So we got the value of b. I hope it's clear. Now when you put the other value, suppose let us say x is equal to 0. On the left hand side, minus 7 into 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. And a times of 0 minus 1 is minus 1. And plus b times b is what? Minus 6. So from here, what is this value? Minus a minus 6. Minus a minus 6 is equal to 1. So what is the value of a now? A will go to the other side, suppose. Minus 6 minus 1, which is minus 7. So we got the values of a and b. So what we are writing down, now we call this as 1. So we rewrite this as, this is already one equation we have written, right? Yes, this is what 1 actually. So let us now call this as 2. Equation 2. First we are plugging the values of a and b into. So what you will be getting 2 implies what? A is minus 7 over x minus 1 and b is minus 6 over x minus 1 the whole square. So this is what you will get in the second equation. Now from the first equation, you are going to plug this value for the second term, right? So now we will be writing x plus the whatever we got now. So 1 implies x plus minus 7 over x minus 1 minus 6 over x minus 1 the whole square. Like that we can see. Now we are going to do the integral of this whole thing. So integral x dx is x square by 2. Minus 7 comes out, ln of x minus 1. Minus 6 comes out, 1 over x minus 1 the whole square is x minus 1 power minus 1 by minus 1. So it is minus 1 over x minus 1. So it becomes plus the constant. So this is the solution. This is the way to solve the improper partial fractions. Okay, let us now take one more problem. What is 4x square plus 11x? Now let us see what is p of x degree here is equal to 2. Degree of q of x is also equal to 2. Even though they are equal, they are improper. Correct? Only for less than only. When the degree of p of x is less than degree of q of x, it is proper. Otherwise, it is improper partial fraction. Now, what we do? We find out the factors of this. So, let us rewrite this. 4x square plus 11x minus 30 can be factorized as x plus 4 times of x minus 2. So this is what the factors. So now we rewrite this as, first of all, before writing this, we will divide the equation. So always we have to do with the equation. Now let us solve that first and then let us increase that factors. Okay. So let us now divide this as what? 4x square plus 11x minus 30, and then we divide this by x square plus 2x minus 8. So now what we get? X square into what is 4x square? 4. So it is 4x square. Now we are going to multiply this 4 with the 2x and minus 8. So 4 into 2x is 8x and 4 into minus 8 is 32. So now subtract. This and this gets cancelled. 11x minus 8x is 3x. 32 minus 30 is 2. So this is what the remainder. Okay. So therefore, we can rewrite this 4x square plus 11x minus 30 over x square plus 2x minus 8 can be written as 4. This is what the first one. It comes first. Okay. This plus whatever the remainder, 3x plus 2 over the divisor, x square plus 2x minus 8. So now this one I am going to rewrite this as 3x plus 2 over x minus 4 times of x plus 2. Like this we can split the given fraction. Now what is this? This whole thing is what? This is the proper partial fraction. Observe the degree here of the numerator is 1 and the degree of the denominator is 2. So we are going to call this as 1. So now what is this? 3x plus 2 over x minus 4 times of x plus 2. So we rewrite this as a over x minus 4 plus b over x plus 2 because the roots are, the factors are non-repeated. Correct? Now how will we rewrite this? It is 3x plus 2 is the numerator in the left hand side, and in the numerator on the right hand side it is x plus 2, a times of x plus 2 plus b times of x minus 4. Like that we can write. Now when you put x is equal to 4, suppose 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14 and 4 plus 2 is 6a. So the value of a is 14 over 6 or 2 7s and 2 3s. Therefore, the value of a is 7 over 3. Value of a is 7 over 3. Now, put x is equal to minus 2. Then 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 is equal to b. Anyhow, a value becomes 0. And this is minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So, the value of b is 4 over 6. That means 2 over 3. That means 0. 666 something. So this is what the answer. I hope it's clear all of you. This is what the value of b. b as or 2 by 3 also you can write. b is equal to 2 by 3. Now what we do? We write in the equation. Let us do this all values in equation 2 first of all. So what is 2 implies? 3x plus 2 over x minus 4 times of x plus 2 can be written as a is 7 by 3 over x minus 4, b is 2 by 3 over x plus 2. Understood? There is no need to do this calculation. You can do up to here enough. So now all these we are plugging again in equation 1. So what we get here, let us see. So we got this one now. We are going to rewrite that as the solution, in the solution now. Therefore, the solution is, 4 plus, the solution from 1 we get 4 plus, a is 7 by 3, this whole thing now we will write. So 4 plus this one, right? So we write this as solution as a value we got it as what? 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This one we will copy actually. Let us rewrite this as 7 by 3 and 2 by 3. So this is equal to 7 by 3 over x minus 1 plus 2 by 3 over x minus 1 the whole square. That's 1 the whole square. So now 4 plus this whole thing now. The solution is now is, the solution is 4 plus 7 by 3 over x minus 1 plus 2 by 3 over x minus 1 the whole square dx integral. Okay. Now this can be split it as 4 times of integral dx plus 7 by 3 times of integral of 1 over x minus 1 dx plus 2 over 3 times of integral of 1 over x minus 1 the whole square dx. So that is 4x plus 7 by 3 times of ln of x minus 1 plus 2 by 3 times of x minus 1 the whole power minus 1 over minus 1 plus the constant. So this can be rewritten as 4x plus 7 by 3 times of ln of x minus 1 minus 2 by 3 times of x minus 1 can come in the denominator plus the constant. Is it clear? So with this we have done the improper partial fractions also. I hope you could understand. We have done with proper partial fractions all the 3 cases, and now we have done the improper partial fractions also.